Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to create human shadow in Photoshop. First of all, see this layer. Control Z say for duplicate layer. Then quick selections. Okay. Remove selection. Press Alt. Hold Alt for remove selection. Okay. See this for selection. Then smooth layer mask. Click OK. And again duplicate layer. Control Z for duplicate layer. Okay. Double click the layer. Color overlay black. Click OK. Opacity. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, share. Convert to smart object. Filter. Blur. Click OK.